Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today let's clean these countertops naturally. I have granite countertops, and these countertops are pretty durable and they have proven its theory over the years. So before we actually make the homemade DIY natural cleaner, I am going to give my countertops a little rejuvenation. So I'm going to remove the caulk, the old caulk between the backsplash and the counters, and then I'm going to clean them up with a small vacuum and then clean the area with rubbing alcohol and then reseal them with caulk. The caulk I chose for this is black because my countertops are black. There are clear caulking options in white as well. So just look at your local hardware store if you decide to do this. Once this is all done, and I have pretty long counters, once this is all done, we are going to go ahead and make a homemade DIY granite counter top spray, not only to disinfect it, but to give it a little bit of shine. And with granite, yes, it's very durable and you can pretty much do anything on it, but there's certain cleaners that could scratch it or dull its finish or whatnot. And if you have a other type of stone countertops, I'm pretty positive that this, with a few modifications, you can use it as well. Now, if you've been following me for a while, I have been on this natural homemade journey for quite some time. I believe in creating things to its purest form. So I try to find ways to naturally clean my home, cook in my home, and make it as affordable as possible and provided all the resources that are handed to me. So this did not, believe it or not, did not take very long from beginning to end. I could have easily hired someone to do this, but it would have costed a fortune. And I just wanted to brighten up these counters and disinfect them at the same time without buying all the fancy countertop sprays that are out there. So this is not only affordable, but it's also natural and good for your environment, for yourself, and for your family, and with very little ingredients. Also, part of maintaining my home is keeping it clean, and I feel that good smells and good aromas help uplift you and help you overall and enjoy the process of cleaning, because if you're like me, I hate cleaning, so I try to do anything and everything possible to clean naturally. Okay, so to make this granite countertop spray, you are going to need a bottle to house your spray, and you're going to fill it about 30% with Castile soap, another 30% with alcohol, and the rest with water. Leave a room for about 30 to 40 drops of pine essential oil. All of these ingredients will disinfect. It'll kill any germs that are on your countertops. It'll shine it, buff it up, and it won't do any damage. Give it a good shake and then spray your whole countertops, and use a washcloth or a cloth that is slightly moistened to clean the surface. And then just store this in a cool place, and it is ready to go whenever you need it. It's beautiful. It's amazing. Like I said, it's natural. And that's one of my goals this year, is to clean with more ingredients that I have in my house every day, such as baking soda, vinegar, essential oils. These are all cleaners, or all products I have in my home that I'm able to do that with and get the job done. It does everything that any of those expensive cleaners can do. A lot of them are filled with fragrances and chemicals that are not good. And, it's just amazing what just the things that our grandmothers use can get the job done. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it encourages you and inspires you to clean naturally, or to even tackle a project that you think is not achievable this year. If you want more natural cleaning videos, let me know in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for stopping by. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys all real soon. Have a great day.